Hey everybody, I'm at Chicago Public Library location, and I'm ready to present. Here's my office. This is art by Vital Vessel. I'm ready to share art, how to do portraits of the people, the process of digitizing artwork, the office. Oh, and I already have some pre-drawn portraits. It's time to inspire the next generation, or whoever comes, inspire other creative individuals. It's time to have fun doing it, and it's time to put in work. We're going to digitize an original drawing and allow others to see how to make income or just spread art in a meaningful, productive way. So with digitization of artwork, you can create t-shirts, you can create logos, you can create books. So I'm opening the minds of whoever comes or whoever wants to come. So I'll keep you guys in tune. Peace out. Remember the Chicago Public Library location is art by Vital Vessel, and let's have some fun. Let's put in work. Alright. So what I'm going to do is turn out the drawing, make it invisible, and then from there, like Toni Morrison. I knew that. There it is.
I liked it a lot. It looked complicated because of the different screens and programs on the computer, but I think with enough practice, I could do it and I could get through it. I think I could get acclimated to maneuvering from screen to screen because programs, so I'm sure I could pick up on this really after a lot of practice.
I know you can. You're good.
You always start out in black and white like you were doing?
Yes, I always start out with an original drawing in black and white. On the computer, I always start out in black and white. They turn into outlines for coloring pages. So this is a coloring book. I have a magazine, and this is a culmination project of everything I've done that year for the zine. So pretty hustle. I turn to coloring sheets. I have workshops sometimes where we color in these. But it all starts from my love of the pencil.
I like it so much.
That's the process. Does anybody have any questions, or do any of you guys do artwork? No?
Not even close.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you did say that.
Like, you say you do zines. Are you talking like, well, zines are coming back.
Yeah, they really are.
Thank God. Because print media, like, everybody thinks like print media is dead because of the computer.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of like an interesting way of kind of merging the two.
Yeah.
Really, because, internet's great and it's everywhere, but not everybody has the luxury of always having it, so that's why I'm glad that there are still zines.
The world is our oyster. It depends on how we maneuver through it and play with it to create what we chase or what we want. So I think anything we learn, like Malcolm X said, it's our alma mater. Books are our alma mater, so we can learn it and then grow. But tying this back to Black History Month, books are our alma mater. We're in a library. We can meet people through literature with like FloJo and read about how they've impacted history. And that's really what my projects are based off of. Rooted all from the drawing into computer digital artwork. And that's how it all ties together. What I'll do is turn down the opacity. And those lines I drew, you can now see a little bit more.
So you say you turn the capacity down?
The opacity. It's like the
capacity?
The opacity, you see that?
Opacity.
So I turn it up to increase that, or turn it down?
Like the shading?
Well, just the visibility on that layer, I turned it down. Whereas you can...
How many layers is this?
I can create as many as I want. Right now, it's 3. I have...
There needs to be more classes like this, because I think the wall of like, oh, this is too hard, I can't do it, I can't operate this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have just somebody explaining to them in just in simple terms, it doesn't look easy, but it doesn't look like I couldn't do it. It's too difficult.
Right.
You know?
It's just really, I follow a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and they say it's not knowing about how to do the project. It's knowing about the tools to be able to create different projects. And knowing about what the tools do to create certain actions or textures that you want to do. Which makes in the digital world, it makes your stuff unique. So, not everybody does this process. Mine is slightly different and it's more technical.
Gotcha.
But that's what my process. It allows me to break down and show what people can do, and it makes it easier. So, I don't pay people to create my.
Yeah, you do.
Smart.
You do. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And this was. I wouldn't say simple because it's not simple to everybody, but this was one of my most simplest pieces.
Okay.
So I just send this to somewhere to print. That's all that comes out of my pocket. Because I'm able to learn these skills.
Okay.
But I also am able to teach it to other people so they could save money. Like now, I love doing the workshops to teach people because self-worth, self-knowledge is important.
Mm-hmm.
So you won't get duped by other people's prices or actions. Yeah, I'm happy you guys gave feedback and you guys talked, and I'm happy. It's pretty cool.
Thank you.
Stuff's up at the Herald Washington.
Yes.
All right.
Where are you at? For Art by Violet? Wait, Instagram or?
Oh no, I just was adding this stuff and adding you on the Facebook so I could.
Oh,
if
well.
I needed to get work done, I could contact you.
It's Vital Vessel.
Vital.
So that's it, everybody.
Thank you so much.
This was great.